Sailsense is the ultimate innovative solution to digitize the management of your fleet, covering all processes from boat monitoring, digital check-in, and maintenance. Our software allows to simplify the pre-departure administration and to speed up the check-in procedure. Check-in is done in a few clicks via the mobile app. Once at sea, Sailsense monitors your boats in real time thanks to our hub. Our system anticipates dangerous situations and helps your customer avoid most common issues such as battery depletion or engine misuse, immediately alerting you and the sailor. This allows you to immediately contact the sailor via the app, helping him in real time. This allows you to greatly reduce damages, ultimately leading to happier customers, less complaints, while keeping a well-maintained fleet. During rentals, Sailsense remains active at all times and acts as if one of your representatives was always on board, making sure everything is okay. Even a drifting anchor will be immediately spotted, alerting you and the sailor via the app. When sailing, your customers will get access to any boat documents and videos you want to share with them. They will also be able to report any issue quickly and efficiently. As soon as an issue is reported, your team will be notified, and a maintenance task will be issued for your crew. At the end of the customer trip, speed up the checkout for your customers with the mobile app and save up to 20 minutes per boat on a busy Saturday. Between customers, our solution helps you to optimize your maintenance operations by assigning tasks directly within your team. The key boat and trip data can also be shared with any existing business management tools through our powerful API to support any of your other business processes. In summary, Sailsense provides a complete innovative solution to make your boats smarter and cheaper to run. Maximize your boat's availability during the season, digitize your check-in and check-out, improve your customers' satisfaction, reduce your amount of claims, reduce your maintenance costs. Contact us today and find out more at www.sailsense.io. Sailsense, connected boat solutions, making your boats easier and safer to navigate.